Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a GoGlam video. So you need these, and here's how you get them out. You just pull up on that, then it comes out. So I'm going to be using the butterflies. It comes with all different ones. And the back, there's a dryer. See? Then you could also do this. You do that to put the stamp on your nail. So yeah, let's first do this sticky nail polish. Okay, so let's put it on. So I'm gonna, hold on. Okay guys, I am back. So now let's put the sticky nail polish on. Oh, and just to tell you, it comes with different colors of this. Okay. Like a different shade. And different types of things. Like this, these, and the nail polish. So that's all it comes with. So first you put the nail polish on. This is mine. Oh, hold on. One kind of come off. One kind of came off. Okay. So like you saw, this is my hand. Then, once you have your nail polish on, you turn the dryer on. Then you put your fingers under this. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, and just to tell you, let it dry for at least like 5 minutes. Guys, I'm back. I thought I accidentally set that timer. Okay. And this can move if you need to be closer or farther. And this is my first ever merch, just to tell you. I got it for Christmas. These are the Ninja Kids. So you should go to their channel and see how many videos they posted and watch them. So guys, now that my hands are dry, we're going to take this, put my finger under here. Uh-oh. Mommy! I can't find the thing that you put your finger on. Thanks. So then you take this, then you put this right on here. On this, you put this on here, and you just pop it on like that. So you could take it off and put it on. So I want it on. So here's how it works. So I'm going to take this hand, put that down like that, then press down hard on it, then it will end up like that. Oh, and don't worry if it gets like this, because it just removes with nail polish remover. So yeah, and keep doing that to your horn, to all of your fingers. Oh, and if you want to get this, just tell your mom that it's called GoGlam. And yeah. So if you want to get this, it's called GoGlam. Oh my. I'll have to redo one finger. You know, I can redo. I'm going to redo my pinky when I'm done. Okay. Okay, I'll fix to one of them, but... So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. And make sure to hit the bell, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, subscribe so you don't miss any more new videos. Bye!